In the first beta version for iOS 12.2 developers, we found evidence of a new generation of AirPods with Hey Siri activated by voice, the subscription service Apple News Premium, new iPads and iPod Touch that could be launched with this update, and many other changes and improvements. The release notes of today's update only mention bug fixes. We will update this post if something interesting is found in the new beta version. This update may or may not include the solution for the spy error of FaceTime, which Apple promised to fix in an update for the general public this week, probably iOS January 4, 12. This is what we found in the first beta version: new screen mirroring icon in the control center, new interface of the remote control center of Apple TV to full screen, new speakers and televisions in the configuration of the Start application. More detailed Apple Wallet user interface for recent transactions, updated details button in the user interface of the wallet card. Touch a transaction for more details, card details feature inserts, bubbling rectangles, rows, motion and orientation data are new changes to Safari and iOS settings, reading the air quality index on maps. Safari warns about websites that do not support HTTPS keyboard color selector. Safari online music playback.